What's up? It's your girl Stormee, and today we're going to get into how to fill in thick eyebrows without actually getting them arched, cleaned up, whatever you want to call it. So my eyebrows are on the fuller side. They used to be way fuller than this, but due to me letting people take my eyebrows off, me getting them arched all the time, they kind of started to fade. So I like to hold on to what I have. I do not get my eyebrows done. All it takes is a little makeup to make them look real nice and polished. So my two favorite things to use when I'm filling in my eyebrows are Anastasia brow dip in chocolate. It's really nice. I really love this. And my favorite concealer is MAC Pro Longwear NC45, as you can see, because it's pretty much empty, so I really love this. I want to show you how to fill in your eyebrows without making them look like in the front. You know how y'all make them really dark in the front? I don't like that. We're not gonna do that here. This is when I realized this eyebrow is thicker than the other. What's with the droopy face when putting on makeup? Is it just me? I'm super firm on eyebrows being sisters, not twins. So this is for anyone who wants to keep the full effect on your eyebrows without having to do a full face of makeup. As you can see, I don't look like a ghost in the eyebrows. It blends very well, and I can get out and go, throw on a little mascara and keep it moving with my day. This is for you. So if you haven't already and you like this video, go ahead and press like and make sure you subscribe to my channel. Thanks.